Pagod ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na tanong na, saan napunta ang sweldo ko? Sawa ka na ba sa laging petsa de peligro? Kung oo, this video is for you. Because today, we're going from zero to hero to personal finance. Hindi lang para sa'yo, hindi para sa buong pamilya mo. Let's face it, maraming Pilipino kumikita pero laging kapos. Not because tamad tayo, but because walang nagturo sa atin paano hawakan ang pera. Walang subject sa school na Money 101, kaya now we take control. Alam mo ba, 8 out of 10 Pinoys walang emergency fund at karamihan ng OFWs after 10 to 20 years abroad, umuuwing walang ipon. We need to break that cycle. Now, paano? Please listen carefully. Step number 1. Know where your money goes. Alamin mo kung saan napupunta ang pera mo. Track every peso. Gamitin mo yung 70-20-10 rule. 70% gastos, 20% savings or investment, 10% tips or giving. Hindi mo kailangang maging accountant. Kailangan mo lang maging honest sa sarili mo. Step number 2, get protection. Long-term healthcare, life insurance. Protect yourself and your family. Life insurance or healthcare is not pang mayaman lang. It's for people na ayaw maging pabigat sa pamilya. Kung breadwinner ka, lalo na kung OFW, this is non-negotiable. Kahit maliit lang, basta meron. Step number 3, build your emergency fund. Emergency fund is a must. Minimum 3 to 6 months ng gastos mo, dapat meron kang ipon. Para kung mawalan ka ng trabaho, may magkasakit, o biglang may bayarin, hindi ka uutang. Lagi mong tatandaan, utang is not a solution. It's a trap. Step number 4, start investing. Let your money work for you. Pagkatapos mong mag-ipon, mag-invest. Small but consistent. Time is your best friend. Pwedeng sa mutual funds, stocks, PDF, or marami pang iba. Mas maaga kang magsimula, mas malaki ang balik. Let's recap to go from zero to hero na personal finance. 1. Track your money. 2. Get protection. 3. Emergency fund. At 4. Start investing. Ngayon, alam mo na. Ang tanong, kailan ka mag-uumpisa? Huwag bukas, huwag next month. Ngayon, simulan mo na. Because every peso saved today is a day closer to freedom. Kung gusto mong matutunan ng step by step, paano gawin? Join our free financial coaching. Message me, Financial Hero. Let's change your money story. One decision at a time.